Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use handwriting keyboard on iPhone. Here are the steps to use the handwriting keyboard on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Keyboard. Tap Keyboards at the top. Tap Add New Keyword. Scroll down and select Chinese, Simplified, or Chinese Traditional. Choose handwriting as an input method, then tap Done. Once added, go to any app that uses the keyboard. For example, is Notes or Messages app. Tap the globe icon on the keyboard to switch to the handwriting keyboard. The handwriting panel will appear. Use your finger or Apple Pencil to write letters or characters. As you write, suggested text will appear above the panel. Tap the correct one to input it. Continue writing and selecting words to complete your message or note. To switch back to your regular keyboard, tap the globe icon again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.